Hello, good day. I am Kimberly M. Gaspay from the BTVTED 1 and FSM. I am here to discuss HVAC technology, which is belong air conditioner. Air conditioner is used to cool down temperature in an inside space by removing the excess heat and moisture from the room. This is also used to remove heat from our home. There are the parts and function of an air conditioner. Blower. Air flowing from supply registers is the work of the blower. This component, which is also work with furnace, circulate cold air into our home and pulls room temperature back to recooling. Evaporator coil. This indoor component located near the blower is responsible for extracting heat and humidity from the air. This is possible thanks to the refrigerant running through the coil. Compressor. When it has absorbed heat, the refrigerant is in gaseous state. It passes through the compressor where the gas is pressurized and heated even more. This important step prepares the refrigerant to give up its heat. Condensing coil. This is the outer equivalent to the evaporator coil. As refrigerant travels from the compressor, the condenser it expels the heat collecting from indoors to the outside. Once the refrigerant is cooled to liquid, it circulates back inside to collect more heat in the evaporator coil. Pan. The outer condensing unit becomes very hot with all that overheat refrigerant running through it. A pan and pins that act as heat sink throw the heat away so the unit doesn't overheat. Air filter. While an air conditioning can function without the air filter, dust and dirt in the air would quickly collect on AC component and possibly damage them without the filter in place. Install an enough efficient filter and you can even improve indoor air quality while air conditioner operates. Lastly is the thermostat. This is the control center of the entire air conditioning process, reading the indoor temperature and telling the air conditioner when to turn and off. You change temperature settings here on your need. The higher you set the thermostat, the lower cooling bills will be. So I will show you how to operate the parts of an air conditioner.